In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make boxes in Notion using built-in blocks. While Notion doesn't have a dedicated box element, you can create box-like sections with callout blocks to organize your content. Open your Notion page and place the cursor where you want the box to appear. Type callout and select callout from the menu to insert a new callout block. Click inside the callout and add your text, checklist, images, or any other content you want to include. You can change the icon or remove it if your version of Notion allows, and you can also customize the callout color to match your page. If you want a more structured layout, add columns, tables, or other blocks inside the callout. This creates a clean, organized section that works like a visual box for grouping related information. You can duplicate the callout block to create additional boxes and arrange them anywhere on your page to build dashboards, planners, or note sections. If you're looking for a bordered box, keep in mind that Notion doesn't currently offer a native bordered container block. Callouts are the closest built-in option for creating box-style layouts. That's how to make boxes in Notion. Thanks for watching.